Hi, my name is Phin.
And I'm Sophie.
And today we're gonna draw Diglett. So we're gonna use black and some gray and some light pink. And then, so let's get started. So first we're gonna make one over here, and then we're gonna do something like that. And then we're gonna make a upside down U. And then we're gonna make his nose. And then we're gonna make his eyes. And then we're gonna color him in. So first, there we go, light pink. And then we're gonna color his nose in. And then we're gonna color him in brown. I forgot it. And then now we are going to use gray. And then we're going to color this in. And then we're done. So thanks for joining, and bye. Bye guys. Bye.